Preeti and you are watching this video on how to know whether you have activated your third eye or not. Now, activation of third eye, it can happen to anybody, and it's not necessary that you have to work with your kundalini to activate your third eye. Somehow, even if you meditate, even if you have learned Reiki or any other spiritual form of living, that can also help you to activate any of your chakra or your third eye. Okay, so there are going to be certain signs, certain symptoms that I'm going to share with you, and these are some commonly known symptoms. People do go through several other symptoms as well, as I have. So because third eye is something that it's unique to everybody, spiritual experiences are unique to everybody, which is why it's important to know that no two people will experience the same thing. So just be aware of that. And so let's begin with all the different points what you can experience when your third eye gets activated. Stay tuned. See, now also one more thing I want to share is that if you have experienced things, if you are working on meditation, yoga all by yourself, then your experiences may vary. If you have gone to some classes and learned some meditation, then your experiences may vary. Plus, if you have taken Diksha, if you have taken the initiation from a guru, then that experience is going to vary. Okay, so experiences from all these three different scenarios will vary if you are having a third eye activation. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. When you click on the bell icon, select all notifications so that you get notified about all the videos that I upload. So I have 6 points. There are several other points, but the most commonly known points are these that I'm going to share with you. This is according to me. According to me, the most commonly known symptoms and signs of third eye activation are here. If you see visuals, you see colors with your third eye, it means that your third eye is activated. Your intuition is super strong. The third eye is directly connected with your intuitive sense, and a lot of times when people don't require a full third eye opening, their third eye usually gets activated, which means that they can partially use the powers of the third eye. And usually there are like a lot of powers associated with the third eye, but just for an instance, you might actually just need a very strong intuition, so that because of your purpose, because of your soul path, you might actually require a strong intuition, which can happen even with third eye activation. Okay, and it may not be necessary for you to open your third eye. It may not be necessary for you to awaken your kundalini. In that case, you can easily your chakras might easily get activated, just so that your life and your life path are taken care of. Your life purpose and your life path are taken care of. So activation also means that it's not open yet. So you have not cleared off the doshas that are connected with the lower chakras, that are connected with the third eye, which means you will have fears, you will have insecurities. So yes, it does happen that any of the chakras, any of the lower chakras you have not worked upon. By worked upon, I mean you have not opened by your kundalini. Then you will have the doshas related to those chakras, and those doshas, you will continue to feel those doshas unless you open those chakras with your kundalini. Okay, so do keep that in mind. Also, third eye activation gives you a lot of clarity about things in your life. You may be clear on your purpose, you may be clear on what you have to do in life, you may be clear about people whom you like and people whom you dislike. You may be clear about places you like, places you don't like. You may be clear about objects that you like, objects that you don't like. You will also be clear about sensing what is good for you and what is not good for you. Yeah, it can be possible that you don't know how to execute those things, execute or put into practice all of those sensations that you are having. So you may be aware that a certain place, it makes you very uncomfortable. You have that much awareness, which means your third eye is activated. But at the same time, people around you, they don't have any such weird feeling when they visit that place. So in that case, you and the people around you, you might have this discussion or a debate that, oh, what is the problem with that place, why you don't like it? And maybe you may not have any answers, but you just have this awareness that you don't like that feeling, you don't like that place, and it just makes you feel weird. That might be the answer that you might have got. Your dreams are going to be vivid. So dreams are going to be like very, very colorful and very lively. And it's not going to feel as if, sometimes, in your dreams, you do feel that you are dreaming, because the way you are seeing the things, those things, the way they appear in a very absurd manner, the way things roll out, you actually sometimes feel that, that is, that's a dream, and you are aware that it's a dream. But when your third eye has activated, there will be a kind of, yes, you might still be aware that it's a dream, but you have that vividity. Nothing appears stupid. You don't feel that your dreams are foolish, you don't feel your dreams are stupidity. You might actually feel as if you are traveling to different places in your dreams. Maybe these places can be like your something. When you visit a place, you might feel, okay, I know this place, but you're not aware, you have never visited that place in your life. So it might appear lifelike, it's like full colored, and it's as if it is a reality, but you know that it's a dream. There is a very slight difference in dreams when third eye is not activated and dreams when third eye is activated. Okay, so I hope that you are able to figure out what I'm trying to say. You're able to make out the difference, what I'm trying to point out. You get answers to your questions during meditation. Now, this getting answers to questions, it might not be that everybody can be able to do it, because some people may not have learned it. So even if you have not learned how to get answers during meditation, you may have activated your third eye, but you still don't have that right method how to get answers to your questions. Okay, so this can also be a possibility. But if you cannot find answers, it doesn't mean that it doesn't mean that your third eye is not activated. Okay, so don't misunderstand it that way. Okay, so do keep that in mind. And so this is the video that I wanted to share with you. I hope that this helps you. If you have liked this video, then hit the like button. If you feel that this video can help somebody, do share this video with that person. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, keep following the path of your soul's purpose, because you are born for a reason. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.